Hello viewers and crypto community, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Edge Network. Dear viewers, today I am going to introduce you with an amazing video. We are exploring BingX, one of the world's leading crypto trading platforms where you can follow professional traders, copy their futures trades and learn practical trading strategies in real time. Before we dive in, remember this video is purely educational and not financial advice. Always research carefully before making any investment or trading decision. Let's start with something exciting. Dear viewers, Bing X is giving away an exclusive 50 USDT voucher with its code, and it's valid only for the first 50 new users and expires on November 30th. This voucher provides 50 USDT trading credit usable with 5x leverages, meaning it gives you a small boost to test the future copy trading experience without using your own full balance. Later in the video I will explain how can you utilize this. So first of all, here we will discuss about something BingX exchange. So dear viewers, BingX provides you opportunity to capture every trading opportunity. Here you can check out the details about the products of the BingX. It provides you copy trading and it provides you spot trading, future trading, grid trading. You can choose these opportunities to get real-time benefits, and are the reasons for which you must join the BingX. It provides you compliant metrics, 2FA authentication and transparency. These are the main reasons for which you must join BingX. And if you want to get started just in 3 minutes, here is a complete process explained here. Dear viewers, if you want to make copy trading in futures, here you can check out the all traders, and here you can also check out their ROI with cumulative PNL and the number of copiers with win ratio. So here you can check out Checkrip with 13.07% ROI, and cumulative PNL has also been mentioned where number of copiers is 496 and the win ratio is 100%. So you can check out the different traders and you can make them copy, and you can check out here different amazing feature. Here you can also check out the trending traders. Here you can also check out the conservative traders. Here you can also check out the rising stars, and here you can also check out the reviews of the different traders. Future copy tradings is an amazing opportunity, and you can get amazing benefits from it. Selecting the right trader is the key to successful for copy tradings. You can use following points to make a good decision. First of all, you will have to check the consistent ROI, and then you can check out the low drawdown, transparent record, strategy type. BingX also provides filters by performance risk level, and it also provides you trading style plus detailed charts showing every trader's activity. Use the tools to make informed decisions. Start small and treat copy trading as a learning journey, not a shortcut to profit. Now we will demonstrate it practically in the BingX application. Let's move on to the main topic, futures copy trading on BingX. Dear viewers, I am using 100 USDT personal budget to show how the future copy trading works. So here you can see that you will have to go to the copy trading section in the BingX website, browse through the list of professional future traders, each with transparent stats like ROI, return on investment, win rate, and number of followers. Here you can see that I am selecting Checkrip, and after it we will have to tap on a trader's profile to see detailed performance history and strategy style. And after it, here you can see that I am going to select Checkrip, and Checkrip is a master trader, and now I am going to put the ratio. So here we will have to put the leverage and the amount we are going to invest in the future copy trading. So here you can see margin may be up to now 5x 5x, and here leverage 5x up to 5x if you use the voucher. And now we will put the amount. Here you can see that we have successfully put the amount, and now we have officially copied trading check rate. From now your account mirrors the trader's future positions in real time. It's a powerful way to learn from expert decisions while keeping full control over your own funds and risk limits. So here you can check out the different crypto trading pairs, BTC, USDT, and their trends. And here you can also check out that selecting the right trader is the key to the successful copy tradings, and you must consider the consistent ROI. You should check out the low drawdown, and you can also check out the transparent records. You can also check out the strategy type. Beginners might prefer mid-term or trend following traders instead of high frequency scalpers. Now we are going to discuss something special. BingX is giving away an exclusive 50 USDT voucher. We will go to the tap vouchers, press the plus button, and we will enter the code. In this case our code is A9BE3SSP. We will enter the code, and here you can see that we have successfully redeemed the voucher, and this voucher provide us 50 USDT trading credit usable with 5x leverage, meaning it gives you a small boost to test the future copy trading experience without using our own full balance. It's a one-time reward designed to help new users explore the platform responsibly. So here we are gonna use this bonus voucher, cost 50 USDT and BTC USDT trading pair future copy trading. So this is an amazing and exclusive voucher, and it's valid for only the 50 new users and expires on November 30th. Dear viewers, BingX is currently running a loss compensation activity for new copy traders, a promotional event that helps users start trading with added confidence. If your first copy trade meets a campaign criteria and results in a loss, BingX may partially compensate that loss as a limited time offer. It's meant to ease that learning curve, not to eliminate risk. So always read the full terms. For complete details, visit the official campaign, and the link has been given in the description. And don't forget the exclusive 50 USDT voucher. It's your entry ticket to for future copy tradings with 5x leverage before November 30th. Dear viewers, so there you have it, a full walkthrough of BingX future copy trading, an overview of trader selection, and details about the loss compensation activity, plus your exclusive 50 USDT voucher. If you ready to explore social and crypto trading, start with BingX. All official links, voucher details, and campaigns information are listed below in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.